Hey guys, let's design some fashion with our vacation pictures. If you're interested in that, let's go. Coming up next. As I recently was in Portugal, took lots of pictures, of course, and thought of what great idea it would be to turn these pictures into fashion pieces, as I already have a art fashion storefront. So let's go into Canva and do that. Let's go on to Canva. That's Canva we're using to design. So create design, go to custom, and let's do 3000 by 3000. 5000 by 5000 is the highest resolution, but because I have to save the original design to manipulate it, edit it later, I'm not able to import it again for some reason. I used to, but not anymore. So I have to make it smaller and then make it bigger in the original design. Anywho, let's get to upload files. So I already uploaded this, but let's do it again. I'm not sure why it doesn't show up here. Oh, down here. Oh, wherever. So then, because this is kind of a triangle one, I can't fill the whole page with it. Plus, I like to do a pattern, but you don't have to, because I show you later with another one I did where I didn't do that. Let's just move this till it shows up. It doesn't do that. Interesting. Oh, here we go. Okay, let's duplicate it. Okay, it's up there now. I don't know why it goes up there. I'll have to click on it, so move it. Duplicate it again. Duplicate it again. Oh, it didn't duplicate. Come on. Not sure why it always goes there. Anyway. Then we have a little bit, oops, that's not all the way up there. Make sure it's all aligned. Then we got a little left here, we just duplicate it. Doesn't really matter too much. There. Now let's see if we don't have any gaps. I think so. Okay, so now we have this original. Then you go to upload it. So now let's go back home. Create new design. 5000 by 5000, because that's the biggest we can do. Upload. Well, now I already did one before, so I don't have to go get that again. Just gonna place it in here, make sure it fits. And the reason I'm doing this graphic rather than flowers or some other landscape is kind of like it's kind of trendy to do such a architectural design. Yeah, for the fall season, because I don't want to do flowers, because flowers are not really fall unless you're using fall flowers. But like this one over here, the pink one wouldn't really, I mean, you can change the colors around, but I decided to go with this. Again, you can do whatever you want. This is just my design here, just showing you how I use my pictures. So now, because this is one saved one, you can go to edit image. There, it's a little slow today. And down here you have a whole bunch of filters. Let's click on the mustard, because it's brownish, copperish tones are kind of in style. I think for fall. Let's move that so you can just click on it, and then you click on the color wheel, basically square thing. You can manipulate the color. You can move it there or there, kind of like that. You can do it black and white if you want. Anyway, I'm kind of happy with this. So then apply, and then you can save it. But I already saved one, so let's get out of this and go to here. So I do that one. It's a little different, it's not as bright. Click link below for a free trial for 30 days Canva Pro account if you don't have one yet. Okay, so we got that. Get out of this again. Now go to the page. It's called Galeriste. I already made a tutorial on this, so go up on the channel and check out the tutorial so you kind of know what I'm talking about. But this is my storefront. This is actually a design I did a couple of days of Portuguese tiles. This is just a picture. This is not a element I downloaded. This is from my picture. So we can see here, if we can make it bigger. No, I can't. You know, it has these shadows and stuff. It's because this is how it was on the wall. This is a t-shirt. Anyway, you see, so it's not the same. So I'm not sure if we're going to keep it or not. I haven't added actually to my shop yet, because what you're going to do is you have to click on each of these. Oops. It's easier with your fingers, I think. So yeah, you do down here select, and then you can get a design touch up, but that costs actually money, so I'm not doing that. Or you just add it to your storefront. But down here I'm going to show you the one that I actually do like, and I did already put on my storefront. Where the heck is it? Oh, here. This one. This is the Leaning Tower in, it's close to Lisbon. It's a very famous tourist attraction, basically. A super old tower, defense tower back in the day. And I also changed the colors around. That was in a normal colored picture I took. And I kind of like that as well. So let's upload the one we did today. So what you have to do is go to your storefront, request design. The only problem with this is there are some of my designs. I have more, but I don't know why none of these ones show up. Oh, they're down here. Okay, never mind. The only problem is it takes a couple of days till they actually do the design. But the great thing is you don't have to do it yourself. Some of the other print-on-demand companies, you have to design it yourself. Like, place them on the product. Here, they have designers who do it. So, click on add, blah, blah, blah. Yes, we understand, whatever. Let's go to images, and I'm going to upload that one. Use. And then you have to give it a name. I don't know. Lisbon. Street. Front or something. I can change that later, but let's just give it that name, and then you can decide what it's a photography, and then it's black and white, abstract, fine art, landscape, pattern, texture, urban. Let's do urban. Then you can decide which thread to use. Maybe the black. Then you can kind of see if you can, this image is okay, and it seems to be okay. Obviously it's a little blurry because that's how I, overlaid the filter, but other than that, yeah, I kind of like it. So, accept. Now you can wait till it's uploaded. Now you have the choice to pick different silhouettes, they call it. They're just different pieces of clothing. And I already made a tutorial on how to do this on this website, so please go check it out up there. I'll link it again. Yeah, you just pick different types of clothing, up to 30, and then you can put your design on it. So yeah, I already made a tutorial, so go check that out. I'm just going to go fast forward through this. Make sure you check out the Canva playlist so you get some more tutorials on how to use Canva, especially the one I used to make the first designs on this platform. So make sure you check out the links below and the cards and the end screen. Yes, 30. So you click on that, and then all you see is this. So then you say submit to design, and then say yes. Then it uploads it, and they are going to design it for you. So it's going to take a couple of days, but for you it won't be a couple of days. It will be a couple of seconds, and I will show you how it's going to look like this. I'm still not decided about this, but you can see you can make some really cool designs, your own fashion design that you can purchase or sell. I can show you a bunch here. That's more from my summer collection. Actually, this one is kind of feels like a fall collection too, if you ask me. I did that one using Canva. I kind of like this one. It's cute. I like green. This is also nice. Made this with my swirl design. Yellow. So there's a lot of different designs on here. This one is cool too. This one's fun. Okay, here we are back in my store, and my new designs are uploaded. A little more fall, wintry designs. I'm meaning colors. It's a sweater. This is how it looks when it's, has no design on it. Yeah, it's kind of nice. I'm probably gonna put it in my store. That's the skirt. This is how it looks. Looks a little short to me, but I guess it depends how long your legs are. What else can we look at here? One more thing maybe. The shawl looks a little different. It's a little lighter, more purpley. This is how it looks when you're wearing it. The tote bag. So now I'm gonna select all of these and put them in my store. Maybe gonna buy a few pieces, maybe one for my mother, one for myself, or maybe, I don't know if my daughter wants any. She's a little young. This is more, for mature. I mean, there is actually athlete wear, like shirts and sweaters, and I think more like this one here. And leggings or whatever. She might want a pair that's not quite as... She's not really into patterns too much. publish to my storefront, and there it goes. So now it should show up here. Here you can see it. Voila. I'm gonna put some in my put them on my Facebook page to see again. People can see it and may wanna go check it out on in my store. And yeah, I'm probably trying to order a couple of things too, and maybe gonna have a unboxing before Christmas. Okay. I will put my link of my store down below, of course, in the description, and all the other links you need to go check out. Make sure you watch those videos for more creative ideas.